In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Etsy account and reopen your closed shop. Whether you close your shop temporarily or inadvertently, getting back on track is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, head over to Etsy.com. Here, you'll want to log in using the email and password that you originally associated with your closed shop. If you've forgotten these, you can request a password reset to regain access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main account page. Next, you'll need to access your shop manager, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Click on Shop Manager to proceed. This section serves as the control panel for your shop, offering various tools and options to manage your business activities. Now, let's locate your closed shop. If your shop was only closed temporarily, you should see an option on your dashboard or beneath your shop status to either reopen shop or open your shop. These options are designed to help you reinstate your shop easily, getting you back into the business as quickly as possible. Once you identify the option to reopen shop, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt Etsy to guide you through the necessary steps to reactivate your shop. During this process, Etsy may ask you to review key areas such as your shop policies, payment settings, and the status of your listings to ensure that everything is in order before going live again. After following Etsy's prompts, take a moment to review and update all of your listings. This is crucial as you'll want to make sure they're active and up to date, reflecting any changes in pricing, descriptions, or availability. Editing these details accurately is important to attract potential buyers and provide them with the information they need to make a purchase decision. Another essential step is to confirm your payment methods and billing information. Ensure that these details are current so that Etsy can process fees and payouts smoothly. Outdated billing information could lead to disruptions, so double checking this information will help prevent any potential issues with transactions. And there you have it. Your shop is now live and ready to receive orders. This means you're officially back in business and poised to welcome your customers. Make sure to stay active, promote your shop, and engage with your audience to maximize your reach and sales potential. Thank you for following along today. I hope this guide has been helpful in reopening your Etsy shop. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Best of luck with your shop and happy selling!